One hot day, Zara sees an apple tree. But despite her long neck, Zara is not tall enough to reach the apples. She stretches and stretches, but no matter how hard she tries, the apple remains out of reach. Feeling sad, Zara sits under the tree. That's when Mazu, the lion cub, appears from behind the tree. He knows that it's not always about how tall you are, but about finding clever ways to reach your goal. He spots and points to a pile of rocks nearby. Then Zara gets an idea. She carefully stacks them one by one and builds some stairs to stand on. Zara stands on top of the rocks, and when she stretches her neck, she can finally reach the apple. As she takes a bite of the juicy apple, Zara learns the lesson. It's not always about how tall you are, but about finding clever ways to reach your goal.